Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a stock that is ready to go crazy tomorrow and why you should keep it on your watch list. I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions like we always do here on this channel. Now, before we begin, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in. And also don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel, right? And you haven't done so already. So let's get started right off the bat. This morning's video, for those of y'all who did not miss that, or for those of y'all who did, for everybody, I told y'all specifically. Again, I explained this thing very thoroughly, and I gave y'all warnings. I told you, wait. I told you to have some patience because the move that I was anticipating the night before was not this move right here. And like I really thought that it may have a chance. I gave you two different alternatives. A massive push higher at the open and we stay here throughout the whole day, right? But instead what it does is that it pushes higher, traps a lot of impatient traders. It traps them right over here and then immediately collapse. And then makes a higher low. No, wait. And then makes a lower high followed by a lower high followed by the collapse in the afternoon. All right. And I told y'all that whatever happens today would play a big factor in what's going to happen for the remainder of the week. And so far, I think we're gonna go down even more. I think that we're going to roll over and go all the way down to like 44.75 tomorrow. All right, we got 2 more days. The daily is not looking too good either. Again, the neckline broke right here, retested down. What's gonna happen next is that probably at like 3 or 4 a.m. is gonna push to 45, 44. 45, 44, and then it's gonna collapse again. All right, it's gonna collapse again. That's what I think is going to happen. So now the stock that is about to make a crazy move tomorrow, I believe that stock is Nike. All right, and the reason why I want to talk about Nike, this stock has been very sus since the first time I've met. No, not the first time, but since the last time that I've mentioned in 2021 about this gravestone doji right here, failed the first gap and then created another one, right? And it's just going down and down and down again. I obviously think that we're going to collapse again. The reason why the market is sus right now, and I don't know if you'll notice. I don't know if this is just my laptop alone, but if you look over here, what's up with that? Like there is a 144 for the bid and then the 0 for the ask. Something is going on here. Something is a little off. This is the first time I've seen this thing like that. So maybe it is something. Maybe it's not something. Who knows? But it's just an observation that I've made today. But in regards to this stock, all right. In regards to this stock, if you look on the daily, there is these individuals right here very scared, like they're very terrified right now. If we get below that level, these people are going to sell. There is going to be massive panic, right? And also if you look over here, that gap is at 134ish right there. Okay, you can see it's almost in there, and I think the next candle will be maximum pain, where we just flush all the way back down. It could be all in one candle just tomorrow. All right, it could be, or it could be 2 candles like tomorrow and the continuation on Friday to complete a very nasty bearish week. All right, now if we zoom in again, here's another thing that actually one of our members in the Discord actually showed me. I thought it was really clutch that he did show me that. And if you look on here, there's actually an inverted megaphone pattern on the chart. It's right there, right over here, and it broke down right at the close, right here, as you can see. All right, so not a good situation, not a place where I tell y'all, yeah, buy the dip. No, This is not that kind of video. Definitely not. Watch this thing for a shorts to like the low 40s. Right now we're at the mid 40s. I think we can drop to the low 40s. Now, another stock. I know I said this stock is gonna go crazy, but another stock that is about to go crazy tomorrow. That stock is Marvell. Congratulations to anybody who took this trade with us. We were able to make some money on it and actually get back in and actually add more over here. We started taking money off of here, this level, before this thing started to go up, and then I added again right here at the close. And right now, I think it's gonna collapse. Like, it tried to go and like retest that previous floor. Yeah, the previous floor at 77, which I explained to y'all in that video. Right, as soon as we break through, these individuals get scared, and right now this is what's happening. It didn't even hold until the close. I think it's gonna go lower. If we go on the daily, again, we still got room. We still got room to the $71 level. It can still fall. It can still fall. So definitely watch that one as well for a move to the downside. Right, now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. For those of y'all who asked those, the first one we're going to do an update on BBIG, the $4 stock that I told y'all may double within the next few days. All right, I released that stock over here on Sunday nights. On Tuesday, it immediately spiked and provided some nice opportunity to make some money on the table, to make some money off of this thing. And the next day, it actually did something quite disappointing, which left some people in disbelief. All right, it looked really good after hours, and then this right here is not a good time. This is not what you want to see, especially after something that looks so bullish right here. You don't want to see something that looks like this. And later today, like, it gave people multiple warnings to actually take their money, especially if you bought last week on Friday. Gave them multiple opportunities to get out of the stock. Right, here's the first one is here, the rejection of that, and then the next one is pretty much the formation of this very bearish triangle that broke down at 10 o'clock, and then it just crashed all the way down. So there was an opportunity to make some money on the short side right here as a day trade. If you look at it over here, it's not looking too favorable. Like, it's really not. I don't expect this thing to just magically run like tomorrow. I really don't. I'm not even looking at this thing. So yeah, that's my honest opinion on it. And I don't think it's going to do something too crazy with this week at least. Like, somebody could argue that yeah, there is a gap fill over here. It's going to go higher, right? That is the opposing thoughts of it. I just think that it might just consolidate here for a long time, long time, before it tries to make another move higher. All right. Again, I could be wrong, and this thing could just go run like all the way up to like $8. I could be. But right now, again, I'm just explaining to you what is in the front of me. Right. That's my honest thoughts on BBIG. The next one that we're going to talk about in today's video, we're gonna talk about. Somebody asked me to break down Sono. All right. Now, Sono was on a monstrous move earlier last year, right? And so far, it's been beaten down. It's slowly fading. We got a lower high, followed by a lower high, followed by collapse. Right? It's falling right now. It's not looking too great. People are panicking, and I do think that it's gonna go lower. Could it go all the way down to like $18? I wouldn't be surprised, given what we've seen with the hyper growth stocks. Your plug, your charge points, your Palantir, and these little stocks. Given what we've seen with those ones, I wouldn't be surprised if Sono follows the same fate. I really wouldn't. And plus, they got earnings coming up, right? And earnings might just bring it all the way down. Like, it could just like trickle down here all the way down to like $22, and then earnings is just gonna like make it collapse. all the way down to 16 bucks. That's what I'm seeing. Again, I could be wrong. I could be. We may even get there before then. Again, we may. It's not looking too bullish. It's really not. Long-term investors, be patient. Be very cautious. I don't see a good outcome for this thing in the near future. Like, there is no bullish structure on this thing. Every little run is getting crushed slowly downwards. So yeah, be careful out there. That's my honest thoughts on the stocks, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, helps the channel a lot and allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel or you haven't done so already, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on the pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:20 a.m. Central Time, and the post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you'd like to be part of a private Discord community, you can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. If you're not following social media, you can find me at NGumah and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Alright. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get set up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after signing up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is NGumah with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.